Hey guys, Reed Nellis here. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about percussion guns, specifically the trigger point impact gun. A couple little quick tips and tricks and some information about how to use it. First thing I want to talk about is why percussive therapy. So percussive therapy has been shown by research to improve blood circulation, hydrate tissues with good hyaluronic acid, potentially prime the nervous system, and overall improve range of motion. So with all these awesome effects of percussive therapy, how do we know which one we're getting? I'm going to break that down just a little bit further with the next couple videos. So let's go over these quickly. Number one, I said blood circulation, right? Anytime I scratch my skin, that skin's going to get a little bit red. Same thing goes with any kind of therapy. So if I use this gun on number one setting, and just go lightly back and forth, blood is going to come to that area and replenish the cells. Number two, increasing hyaluronic acid, and this goes along with number four of increasing overall range of motion. Quickly to a couple points of that, we're going to talk a little bit of science. So what we have to think of with these ones is mechanoreceptors, and not to get too mundane with this, but when we stimulate these mechanoreceptors, they go to the brain and tell the brain to do a certain motor outcome response. The mechanoreceptors that we're trying to target for these two points is the Ruffini end organs. When they're stimulated, they tell the brain to down-regulate the system globally. The best way to use the percussion gun to get into there is set it to this first setting, nice and slow percussive therapy, and easily, slow and controlled pass through that tissue, which is going to stimulate those Ruffini end organs. Backtracking a little bit here and going to bullet point number three of priming the nervous system or priming the body to move, we can use the gun to get after other mechanoreceptors called Pacinian corpuscles to tell the brain to go. Using the trigger point impact gun to prime the system, getting after those Pacinian corpuscles, I like setting it to setting number 3 or 4 or a higher percussive rate. And then we can just go over that tissue nice and slow and easy or fast and kind of say, let's go to that muscle. There you guys have it, trigger point impact tool, fantastic little tool, 200 bucks gets you one, nice and easy price, consumer grade, awesome stuff. Again, to recap, increasing blood flow, increasing range of motion, via increasing your hyaluronic acid viscosity, right? And then priming that nervous system to go and get after your activity.